Let's pronounce some Indian names together. This is not Bharat. I understand you want to attend the Indian wedding and you're dying to do that, but that's not what we are talking about. This is someone's name and it's Bharat. New York is filled with rats does not mean you just put one in someone's name. It's not Bharat, it's Bharat. This one, it's not Kritika. I understand you want to do greedy and it kind of rhymes with greedy, critty, but that's not critty. It's Kritika. Kritika. This one up here, it's not Sweta. I understand, guys. I truly understand you guys don't like Mark and you just wanted to talk about meta all the time, but that's not the case here. This is Shweta, not Sweta. No, it's Shweta. This is not Drew. Not Drew. I understand everyone's getting screwed with the tariffs and stuff, but trust me, this is not Drew. It's Dhruv. Dhruv. Dhruv.